Good evening, everyone. This is a follow-up video from my original video on the Blue Origin. Now, here, as you can see, you have the fisheye lens view and you have the standard lens view. Like I told you in the first video, NASA, whoever is filming higher than an airplane, they're always filming with a fisheye lens and a standard lens. They only show you the fisheye lens on mainstream media because it is the view that gives you curvature when you aim the camera down from the horizon, as you can see here. Now let's take a look at how the mountain ridge curves as the Origin gets closer to the ground. Now, as you can see here, look at the curvature. Look at the curvature right here on land, on the ground. That's what that fisheye lens does right there, that fisheye lens. And then you see the normal standard lens that you see when you look at your normal eyeballs right there on the bottom. And then you see the altered fisheye lens at the top. NASA does this in every video they do. Now look at that fisheye view lens on land, on the ground. It's still curved. There's your doctored garbage right there. And here's another example of cameras that can film either with fisheye lens or the correct standard lens, whichever one you choose. And again, right here, see how curved the ground is behind the guy with the fisheye lens view? The definition of a fisheye lens is an ultra-wide angle lens that produces strong visual distortion intended to create a wide panoramic or hemispherical image.
What's his name? Felix Baumgartner. He would have been about 2 millimeters above the surface of this globe. That's his edge of space jump. Now, you know, I don't. It's fine. He wants to. I don't have a problem if he does it, but the honesty of it would greatly diminish what I think people thought he was actually doing. And not only that, they made sure to photograph him standing there with a really wide-angle lens, which curves horizontal lines. Right. So in the photo, you see this curvature of Earth's surface, and he said, "Wow, he's in space. Look at that." No, he's not. At that height, you don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat.